What's up, guys? So today's topic is an exciting one because we are going to talk about Q4, what it means for you, what kind of money can you make, and before I get into the actual topic at hand, what is Q4, how can we best leverage it for Amazon, and how can we just fully capitalize on the insanity that is Q4, I just want to make a quick public service announcement, guys. I know there's a lot of you that probably watch my videos, and I really do thank you for that. But if you're one of those people who watch my videos and enjoy the content and actually find value in some of the things that I say, I would really appreciate it if you would actually subscribe to the channel and like some of the videos. Because as you know, growing on YouTube is not always the easiest thing, and I would certainly like my channel to have a little bit more recognition than it has. But yeah, on to the topic at hand. If you didn't know, quarter four, or Q4 as it's known, is short for basically just the months of October, November, and December. And these months are notorious for having the just most insane buying activity going on all across the internet, but in our case, we're talking about Amazon and buying a crap ton of products for gifts, for whatever, right? For Christmas, for Black Friday, for Cyber Monday, for Hanukkah. There's so many holidays throughout this 3-month period, more in particular November and December, starting with Black Friday. Here's some quick stats from last year in 2017. Amazon announced their fourth quarter sales, and this is from Business Wire, which is a Berkshire Hathaway company, so you know it's probably legit. So Amazon's Q4 sales were $60.5 billion, 38% up from 2016. So they grew 38% in Q4 from 2016 to 2017, which is insane. And I only see, similar things happening for this year in regards to 2017. That's why, more so than ever, this is the time that you actually want to get on board, jump on, get some products listed on Amazon, and get yourself in the ball game. Because these 2 months, 3 months, but more in particular November, December, these 2 months can really add a nice boost to your yearly paycheck. You already actually are selling on Amazon. In that case, I highly recommend that you start promoting your products right now, maybe running some discount campaigns, maybe trying to boost up your ranking organically right now before the insanity and all the huge wave of traffic lands on Amazon, because you want to be prepared, right? You want your products to have the maximum visibility when the time actually comes where people are just flooding the platform. So if you're on Amazon, start promoting your products, getting them ranked higher in the search results, maybe spending some money on external advertising to do so. And if you're not listed on Amazon or selling anything on Amazon yet, then, well, highly suggest that you get yourself in the ball game and try to capture some of the Q4 madness that we're about to experience here in a couple months. Now I'm going to highlight 4 amazing tips that I have for you to squeeze every last drop of sales out of this holiday season and just maximize your profits and leverage this amazing time of the year that we all love so much. Tip number 1 I have to increase your holiday sales this year is to cater your listings to the impulse buyer. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, more so than ever during this time of the year, people have their credit cards in hand, they're ready to buy, and it does not take a lot for them to be convinced to actually use that credit card to purchase a product. Because like I said, this is an irrational time of the year where people are just buying gifts like crazy, putting stuff on credit cards without any second thought, and we love that. So when I say cater your listing to the impulse buyer, I mean maybe change up the title a little bit to maybe add like new, holiday sale, or maybe change a bullet, holiday discount. Maybe change the images a little bit to more so represent the holiday season. Something, guys, something to just quickly grab someone's attention a little more during the holiday season and get them to whip out that credit card. Number 2 I have is to go after and target some gift keywords or holiday keywords inside your listing and in some sponsored ads. So what I would do is actually go out there, start up a couple new sponsored ads campaigns and target keywords like holiday gifts for men, holiday gifts for women, this, that, and the other, just anything you can think of, right? Because you're going to have so much visibility when you're targeting those keywords, and that's a huge tip. You want to play to your niche as well. So right now you're seeing a beauty product with jade roller, so you want to be like, beauty gifts, or beauty gifts 2018, Christmas gifts, beauty gifts for Christmas. All those different variations of keywords, you definitely want to start targeting those in your listing and in your ads. So tip number 3 I have, this is probably the best tip of the 4, is to if you use a guarantee bullet or one of those bullet points that's like, 100% money back guarantee or warranty, one of those two, I suggest you actually get rid of that and replace it completely with, holiday sale or exclusive holiday sale. And there's a couple reasons for that. Reason number 1 actually ties into the first couple tips I gave you, and that is you can use that extra space in that bullet point to actually index yourself for some of those holiday keywords I was telling you about. So that helps a lot there. The second and perhaps most important tip in regards to this is the fact that, it's true that a ton more sales occur during this time of the year in Q4, which is great for us, but what comes along with a lot more sales? A lot more returns. We hate returns as Amazon sellers. And how can we actually reduce the number of returns? Get rid of our 100% guarantee or free returns bullet point entirely. In fact, I know this is kind of controversial among some other sellers. I have found in my own businesses, remember you guys, I always share just my opinion and my findings because, I actually do this stuff every single day. I'm not saying other people don't, of course, but I always share with you exactly what is working for me, and what works for me doesn't always work for other people. So for my findings, when somebody's buying on Amazon, they already know that they can return stuff without any hassle. They already know about the A to Z guarantee. They're savvy. They've bought on this platform enough in the past. They know that they're not going to get scammed. So I actually find no reason in even having the 100% guarantee or warranty or free returns, free exchanges bullet point. In fact, I'll just replace this entirely with a holiday sale, exclusive Christmas sale coupon in which I can have a bigger impact on that impulse buyer that I was talking about. Like, ooh, I'm getting a special deal. I better take advantage of it right now before it goes away. And at the same time, I'm able to use that valuable real estate to index for, those holiday keywords, Christmas, Hanukkah. This is a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, Hanukkah, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all of them. So great real estate there and a great way to reduce the amount of refunds and returns. Last but not least, my number 4 tip is to start running some lightning deals. Not right now, but you'll get an email from Amazon when we start approaching the all-important Black Friday and Cyber Monday. That's really when the insanity starts kicking off in full force. You'll get an email from Amazon stating that you only have a certain amount of days to start running your lightning deals, or get yourself at least in the queue signed up for those lightning deals, because they have limited availability when it comes to that. So you definitely want to hop on that wagon and get yourself in either the Black Friday lightning deals or the Cyber Monday lightning deals, because that will just further blow up your profits on it. I sincerely hope you guys found value in this video. My name is Coulis. I'll be signing out for now, and I'll be coming at you with many more valuable videos in the future. Thanks.